So children, as we know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. So let's quickly revise them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, A to Z are the letters. So let's pick up the three letters like C, A, T. Now put these letters together to form the word that is CAT, cat. Children, we have made few more words. They are fat is the cat. Now tell me, do this group of words make any sense? No. Fat is the cat. This group doesn't make any sense to us. So we'll have to arrange once again. The cat is fat. Now it makes sense. Children, even though it makes sense, but it is not complete, right? So here you can see the sentence is complete. The cat is fat as the first letter of first word in capital. T is in capital letter and at the end there is full stop. So here sentence is complete. So children, what is a sentence? The sentence we have made, fat is cat, didn't make any sense to us. But when we arrange the words in different sequence, then it makes complete sense to us. So children, a group of words that makes complete sense is sentence, alright? And a group of words that are not arranged in proper order and do not make any sense is called jumble sentence. Like fat is the cat is jumbled sentence where the words are not arranged in a way that makes some sense to us. Children, there are few rules that we need to follow while writing any sentence. So let's understand. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence always ends with a full stop or any punctuation mark like question mark. Words should be arranged in a proper order to make a complete sense. Now let's understand through some examples. So here you can see the example. Playing the our children. So do these words make any sense? No. These words do not make any sense. So it is not a sentence. Now we will arrange all these words in proper order so it will make a complete sensible sentence. The children are playing. So here you can see this is a sentence. As you can see that the first letter of first word in capital, that is T, and at the end there is full stop. Alright. Other examples. Milk drinks the dog. So do these words make any sense? No. The correct sentence is the dog drinks milk. Now, the next one is slowly moves tortoise up. A tortoise moves slowly. Now we'll do practice once again. So here you can see the example. Playing the our children. So tell me, do these words make any sense? No. These words do not make any sense. So as it is not a sentence, so when we will arrange all these words in proper order, then it will make a complete sensible sentence. So the sentence will be the children are playing. So as per the rule, the first letter T is written in capital and at the end there is full stop. Now it is a complete sentence. Another examples. Milk drinks the dog. Do these words make any sense? No. The correct sentence is the dog drinks milk. Next is slowly moves tortoise up. A tortoise moves slowly. Alright. Now let's come to the next exercise. Rearrange the following jumble words to make a sensible sentence. The first one is are playing football boys. So what will be the correct sentence? Boys are playing football. Next is to am school going. So what will be the correct sentence? I am going to school. In this, few options are given to you and you have to choose the word and rewrite the sentence. All right. So, as you can see, the first sentence is the earth is, and options are given round, square, and triangle. And everyone knows that the earth is round. Now, the next is cows eat. Options like flesh, grass, and ice cream. Cows eat grass. Now, the next is monkey, fish, cow. Options are given lives on tree, monkey. Monkey lives on tree. Now, children, open your English notebook. We'll do practice in English notebook. On the top left side of the corner, write today's date, day, and classwork. Give the heading sentences. Then, after writing heading, leave the line. So, rearrange the words to make a meaningful sentence. So, what you need to do, you have to put the words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. Like, here has wheels a bicycle too. So, what will be the correct sentence? A bicycle has two wheels. I have a new dress. I am going to school. The cow gives us milk and birds fly with their wings. All right. So, you have to do practice in this English notebook. Now, homework, children. This page is from your English grammar book, chapter 1, words and sentences. So, here you have to correct it and put the letters in the proper order. Then you will come to know that which words will be matched with the pictures. Okay, like the first one is number 1 will be matched with donkey, then doctor, rose, then rabbit, and then chocolate. Okay, here coming to the next page, A part, look at the pictures, read the clues and filling the blanks. Here pictures are given, children. First one is it lives in a pond. Who is this? Duck. It is a baby of a cat. Then kitten. I have a very long neck. Who is this? Giraffe. I love to eat honey. Bear. I croak in the rainy season. Frog. Now B part. Read each group of words. Color the box blue if it is a sentence. So here you need to check that the group of words are in the proper order or not, whether these are complete or not, or they may be any incomplete sentence, or they may be phrase also. So the first one is a cartoon am watching I. Here the group of words are not written in a proper order, so it is not a sentence, so we'll not color it. Now the next is a bunch of flowers. So here also it is not a complete sentence, it is a phrase, so will not color it. Now the next is you can draw well. So this is complete sentence as the first letter is written in the capital and at the end there is full stop. Then color it. Tomorrow is a holiday. Yes, it is a sentence. A beautiful picture. No. Joe plays in the park every day. Yes, it is a sentence. Blue the sky. No. A cow gives us milk. Yes, it is a sentence, children. So coming to the next page, that C part, read the following, put a full stop if it is a sentence, put a question mark if it is a question. Okay, so number 1 is this is a tall building. So here we will write full stop as it is a sentence. Next is do you like mangoes? Here question has been asked, so we need to put question mark. Okay, it is such a beautiful dress, full stop. There are many flowers in my garden, full stop. Are you going on a picnic on Saturday? Question mark. Is he going to Shimla? Yes, question mark. The river is deep here, full stop. This garden is made of marigold flowers. So full stop. So children, so do practice. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.